Welcome to Kanya CRP. In order to examine the current statuses of planned maintenances and breakdowns, access MNTT14 maintenance and breakdown information transaction. In this transaction, enter company, plant, and order type information. Then click the search button. You'll see the information relating to the maintenance and breakdowns are listed here. In order to access the relevant information about the maintenance or breakdown and the corresponding records, click the colored circle button next to the relevant information. It will open the transaction relating to that information with the relevant records already listed.